Right, so previously we got this app up and running, but it seems that we already made this ask for permission view, but it seems that it's never been used. So what I'm going to do is to actually connect this view with the like normal content view, like the all encompassing like the central hub view, and then when the user actually want to use this, maybe just go to the view, and they will prompt with say, hey, my app need this permission, and you have to grant me that. If you don't grant me, you won't be able to use my app. Okay, so basically I'm going to do that in this video. So we got state context. Okay, we got the context jump. So basically we're selecting the jump, right? And then let's add something more. So first state private var, and already add a selected stat, and is showing our asking for permission view. Is showing whoa, that's pretty long. Asking for permission view, right? Pretty long, pretty mouthful. So default is false. Okay, you can't say it's true, because if it's true, it'll be weird. And, you open app asking for permission, people say, hey, I don't know, I don't even I don't even know what this app is going on. Okay, so default false, and only when you got something that trigger this and it will switch is true, and let's continue. You can store the information of whether the user accept the permission or the non-accept permission to the app storage. Basically, app storage is like a temporary. It's not like temporary holder. It's like a very unsecure holder that can hold information. For example, you whether you have seen this page or not, or something like that. So yeah, now I'm going to add app storage. Okay, and I'm going to say app storage will store the has shown the asking for permission. Okay, let's show that or not, and then you just a private var, and okay, has show this permission, so false. So normally it will be false. Once you've seen it for the first time, it'll be true, and so that's basic logic behind it. So initializing, okay, it should be like an equal sign, which is gone. Let me just get rid of this so I can have more place to write out code. Okay, and then after all that, we got some like empty space. We can get rid of this one. So navigation destination. Let's add it here. So we already got this like navigation title, detail, and dots. We can say on appear, right? And it's not here. There's a navigation. It's not inside the navigation because this is all inside the modifier. So what I'm going to do is to dots on appear. Okay, so just down below, and when you trigger this on appear, execute so is showing asking for permission view. So only when you haven't seen it, so hasn't showed this asking for permission view. Okay, so it's like a reversed. So if it has shown, it will be true, and then there will be false. So is showing, so it will be false, won't be shown. Okay, so it's like a flipped side multiple times. You have to yeah. If you don't know, just pause this video and think about this. Just like a reverse showing, and sheet will be is presented. Okay, will be binding, whether it will be present or not, and the binding will be is showing asking for permission view. If it's true, we will bring out a sheet, and then if it's not true, we'll just ignore that, and we can say on dismiss and execute the print. Okay, I got all the permission to get the health data. Okay, basically HealthCat is like a central hub that I mentioned before. Okay, so we got this on dismiss, and okay, this is just a print. Get outside dot content, right, and execute. So we got this health kit. Asking for for permission view. It's a view, and this have been being able to pass information here. So we have to this here need to pass information. So asking for permission view. Right here immutable. This doesn't matter. We will deal with that later. Environment health itself, right? Because it's private healthcare manager, we can dismiss it. Of course, we can dismiss it, and then it's showing permission options. It's showing false, and we got this binding, so we can change it. So binding and the var of has shown. Okay, it will be a boolean. Yeah, so we add this, so you can actually say whether show it or not. All that is just show this request, get all the information, success. Oh, it's not success. Switch that. And I'm going to log this, because if you don't log this, it will just simply dismiss it, and it will say, hey, I already showed that, so you won't be able to show it. Then the user have to uninstall your app and re-download it again, which will help. Which will help, and it's a result you lose a lot of user. So first I'm going to make the interactive dismissed disabled, so you won't be able to dismiss it until unless you close the whole app. Okay, and on appear, I'm going to execute the code of has shown. If you already appeared, so has shown that, so you already show that one times, so you have to change it has shown to true, right? Very simple. So we can go back to where were we? Content view, right? So right now we need to pass in, because we just add one parameter, which should be has shown. Has shown is a binding of has show the asking for permission. Okay. And and I don't know why. Just give me a really weird. thing. So what I'm going to do is to has show asking for permission. Okay, yeah, let me just reformat it. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's finger crossed and actually run this. Okay, missing parameters of has show. It's just preview. I just want to run this out of the simulator, so you don't need to worry about the preview. Okay, so yeah, building successful. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So basically, you open an app, user can actually see some part of the app, but can't dismiss it if you do not disable the interactive dismiss. It will just dismiss it and it will switch to true. So you have already seen that, so the app won't next time will not pop up. And yeah, and by the way, the reason that I do not use preview is that preview is buggy. Okay, so if you go back here, because we got this asking for permission view, right? So if I got something like this, and of course you can pass it asking for permission, something like that. Right, let's do something like the yeah, missing parameters. Come on, give me something. Okay, parameters show fixed, right? Has show. Now we can get a specific binding, right? We can say has. Come on, it should be here, right? It's showing has shown or whatever. Doesn't really matter. I just want just a quick placeholder so you guys can see that why I don't use. I think one of the subscribers already asked say why I did not use this like a preview because they think that preview may be helpful or something like that. Yeah, I can't interactive, sure. Maybe I'm going to just say true. Okay, so you can actually see that. Let me just make it true. Okay, so hopefully it will get rid of the complaint. Yeah, and I can't see this preview. Oh my gosh. Okay, it doesn't really matter because I just want to say I already put this asset icon here, but sometimes the preview just won't be able to see it. I don't know why. But it doesn't really matter. Let's just go back here. So yeah, we already got this basic view here. User can see Jump Rope Pro plus our app, but it can't dismiss it, right? And not only can't dismiss it, but we have to choose something. Okay, you can say not for now, or you can accept using your health data. You click this, and the first time you will get a little bit buggy because it's got a lot of things that will be loaded at the back end. Okay, and here will be the health access, right? You can don't allow it, or you just dismiss it, right? You can dismiss it, and you can't dismiss this screen because we haven't write the code for it, because it's kind of essential for you to grant the grant thing. Of course, turn on all, right? Come on, turn on all. Okay, turn off all, turn on all, and then we can allow it. And this is the manager, right? We want all this to read and to write. So if you go back here, you can see active energy, right? Active energy is like the active energy burn, right? We can not only allow scrollable view to write active energy, but also to read active energy. Okay, and the steps. Okay, steps. That'll be step count, and of course weight and weight. Okay, body mass. Okay, why is just a 3? Oh my god, active energy burn. Okay, step. Oh, it's a redundant active energy burn, so it's redundant. We got yeah. It should be it should be something else. So about that. So active energy purge. Let's manually change it. So quantity type. Sorry about that. It should be like a jump in the rope. So start with jump in the rope. Blue glucose. Cycling. Speed. Just dietary. Environment. Flights climbed. Forced. Distance, wheelchair, walking, distance, walking, running, distance, rolling. Yeah, there's like no jumping. Do I have like a jump? There's no jump. What about roll? Just a rolling. So yeah, as I said in my previous video, I did not find like the exact jumping or skipping the rope thing here. Push count. Okay, quantity that sample that measures the number of pushes used has been performed while using the wheelchair. Okay, this is like a wheelchair sort of thing. Restroom rolling, running. Whether you got like a jumping VO2 max, definitely got like a VO2 max. Let's add VO2 max as well. So if I run this, hopefully it will refresh the app so I can get this. Yeah. I won't be able to see this, yeah, that's what I'm talking. So you have to, get rid of this scrollable. Let me just remove app, delete this app completely, right, and run this. Okay, then you just like refresh this storage. Which would be AppStorage here, and then we can say accept using your health data, and it will be the step cardio fitness. Okay, asking for permission. Health kit manager. Yeah, VO2 max. Okay, the VO2 max will be the cardio fitness data. Okay, so yeah. And once you turn it all on and you can allow, it won't bother you. Just like switch it off, and you can access all this data, and then you can get this data. This is like a dummy data that we use your program to generate. Okay, but you can obviously right now you can just access the data and use that data to say make chart or something, make a show here. Okay, so yeah, that will be next videos thing, because this video we already like integrated these two projects together. One is for the asking for permission view sort of project, and then we incorporate that into our jump in the road project, and we integrate house kit. We play around with all this the data that we can have access to. We use the store to store our data, and yeah, it will be pretty fun. I haven't like decided which kind of app that we finally want to build, because it's a jump in the road. Clearly, I can't find it. So maybe just to start with, just maybe rowing the boat, something like that, or walking and jumping, something like that. And then adding the VO2 max, calories, all that. Yeah, maybe I'm going to make some animation. So just make it like a gamify this exercising. So there will be maybe got some Eiffel Tower, something like that, and you jump, or you walk, or you run, and you like halfway to the top of Eiffel Tower, something like that. So it's just got some sort of like a famous buildings, as famous places in the world. I say, hey, you already like finished running, say 1 kilometers, and that'll be equivalent to yeah, I'm not sure, like Hyde Park, you're already like one circle around the Hyde Park, something like that, or one circle of the Central Park, something like that. yeah, I'm going to like get all this trivial data and maybe maybe add some animation and chart or something like that and incorporate that into our app. Yeah, it'll be really fun exercise, but yeah, I think I'm going to like take a rest a little bit from this project and build some other like a tiny little bite-sized project, because I think already begin to think that this project's become too big to be manageable and become bite-sized, and spend more and more time recording this one project rather than share with you guys like different components of a Swift UI. So I'm going to take a break here and maybe update some other components. And while I'm updating other components, I'm going to like incorporate other components maybe into this project, and yeah, just have fun, have a play. It's like play Lego, and yeah, Apple already give you all these components that for you to play around, and yeah, you just enjoy yourself. Okay, so yeah, thanks for your time. I'll see you next video. All right.